Welcome back, everybody. This is going to be our final exam review 2, question 3. Here we have Shay has recently begun kickboxing and purchased training equipment as modeled in diagram below. Total weight of the bag, pole, and unfilled base is 270 pounds. So even before we fill in the base with any, I guess in this case, the filling, dry sand in this case, is 270 pounds. The cylindrical base is 18 inches tall with a diameter of 20 inches. The dry sand used to fill the base weighs 95.4 pounds per cubic foot. So the question is, to the nearest pound, determine and state the total weight of the training equipment if the base is filled to 85% of capacity. So what we want to do is figure out the volume of sand that's going into the cylindrical base. And so again, the volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times height. So key thing though, we see here that our measurements are in inches, 18 inches as diameter, as height, and 20 inches diameter. So everything is in in pounds per cubic foot. To make this easier for ourselves, we're going to change our dimensions into feet. So we have in this case 18 inches for the height. So height equals 18 inches, but that's equal to, in this case, 1.5 feet. How do we do that? Well, let's divide by 12. Okay? Simplify 18 over 12, that's going to be in 3 over 2, or 1.5. Now, our radius is not 20. Our radius is actually 10 inches. And therefore, convert 10 inches into feet, it is 10 over 12, or in this case, 5/6 of a foot. So now our volume, oh, one more thing. We're not filling it to the top. We're filling it to 85% capacity. So our volume of sand will be pi times 5/6 squared, the radius squared, feet, okay, it's feet, times the height, which is 1.5 feet. We're going to multiply this by 85%, or 0.85. So take our calculator. Okay. And so here, a calculator, let me clear this. So we have here pi, parenthesis, 5 divided by 6, close parenthesis squared, times 1.5, and then multiply by 85%, or 0.85. And this will give us the volume of the sand to cubic feet. How many cubic feet of sand? And so 2.781618,495. So 2.78, so approximately 2.78. However, I'm going to include those decimals later on when we find this though. Now, if you do not convert your inches into cubic feet to feet first, keep in mind that you will take your numerical value and divide by 12 to the third power. Not just by 12, but 12 to the third power, because in this case, there are 12 to the third power cubic inches in 1 cubic foot. This is why you want to make your conversions beforehand, much easier. All right, so about 2.78 cubic feet. And so now we're going to take this 2.78 and we're going to multiply this by, so 2.78, sorry, times 95.46. And this will give us the weight, okay? The weight of the sand. So let's go back to our calculator here. And I'm going to take this whole thing and then just times by 95.46. Which is 265.5. So it's about 265.5 pounds. But what happens is, you're asked not for this part, but keep in mind the total weight of the training equipment if the base is filled to 85%. This here is only going to be just the sand. So we're going to take this 265.5 and add by the original, I believe it said, go here, 270 pounds. So plus 270 pounds. So we get 535, which the nearest pounds is 536 pounds is the total weight. And this will be the answer we're looking for. This is our final answer. So we take our 265 and add to the 270 from before, 265.5. And so keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that we have to read questions carefully. Now, if we did not convert, let's explore this a little bit though, okay? So let's say, for example, we kept our radius to be 10 and our height to be 18. So let's go about this, okay? So it would be, so second pi, so the radius would be 10 inches. So let's do 10. So we're going to see how, we use our numbers and we divide by this 12 to the third power, get the same exact thing. All right, times the height of 18 inches. And so times 0.85. Okay, and this would be, in this case, our volume in cubic inches. All right, and so we want to get the same exact volume in cubic feet. We have to divide by, again, 12 to the third power. 12 times 12 times 12. And we see in this case, we'll have to do that, we get the same thing of 2.7816184.495, the same exact thing from before. But if we forget to do this, it might be tricky because a lot of times some of you might just divide by 12 instead of 12 to the third. That's make a big deal. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? All right, so this is going to be our question number 3. Pretty straightforward. The only thing to be very careful is to look for the units. Be careful about the units because here, cubic foot versus inches. And so we have to make sure we have our conversions down properly. All right. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And also, any feedback would be great. Appreciate that, though. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like for the video. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And turn on notifications to find out when new videos are added. Study hard, ladies and gentlemen. Take good notes for our exam coming up, okay? Thanks so much for watching. And, of course, take care. Be safe. See you in the next video.